All right, welcome to another episode of Field 2 Freezer Outdoors. We are going to try to catch some crappie this evening through the ice. It is last ice. It is March 12th in Michigan, and I'm looking to meet my buddy Brian and my cousin Chase. This is one of our last chances to get out, so stay tuned. It's about an hour and a half drive for me to get there. Should be able to get there by about 5, have a couple hours to try to mess around and maybe catch some bluegills. We're going to get some slabs tonight, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. It's actually starting to rain, but we're here. We have arrived. We have arrived. All right, let's go. All right, so I'm sitting here watching the Doppler radar as it pours on us, and this is kind of what we're working with right here. We're down here in the corner. You can't beat Mother Nature in Michigan. If you live here, you know the weather is freaking crazy. Negative 40 one day, 45 the next. In this case, it's gonna rain and we're gonna go ice fishing. Brian's coming out shortly, so hope I'm not completely frozen by the time he shows up. I should have put my rain gear on because it is absolutely pouring out here. We're gonna fish anyway, so we can't control the weather. This is Michigan. Stay tuned. Got about 40 more minutes until sunset. I don't really expect the crappie to move out here into this 30 foot until after dark. So I'm gonna go look for a couple bluegills in a little bit shallower. Looks like someone drilled a bunch of holes out here. I'm gonna check those and see if they're open. And then if not, I'm gonna move back in over here in about 20. So stay with me, let's roll. Moved in shallow and there's a boatload of fish here. I'm gonna keep jigging this one all the way till he hits it. There he is. Oh. Missed. Missed. Oh no, nice gill. Beautiful gill. Get back down there, see if we can't get another. There he is. Got it. What? Different interpretation. And here he comes. There he was. Got him. Oh, it feels like a good one too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go, boys. 3. Time to rebait. Okay, got 3 there. They're there. I just can't get them to bite. So I'm gonna move to another hole. Saw it falling. Oh, there's another. Oh, another beautiful gill. Another gorgeous gill. Look at that. Get back down. Crappie. Almost positive it's crappie. Could be a bluegill, but came up super duper fast for a bluegill. Oh yeah, crappie for sure. For sure. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. Caught that on the tiniest of teardrops. Right in the roof of the mouth. Look at that little guy. Look at that freaking slab, dude. Oh yeah. Beautiful gill. Would you look at the size of him? Monsters, dude. Monsters. 8 o'clock, Brian finally got here. I just saw his car pull in. I had a pretty good start without him. That crappie's got to be 14. easily over 13. I'll measure them when I get home. But Brian's walking out. We're going to set up the ice shanty. I'm going to try to get these soaking wet clothes off. Get in there, get cozy, get the lanterns going, and See if we can't get some slabs in the ice. Oh, winning for Brill.
Yeah, it was on sale. It was like 150 bucks off.
For the other two clips, the other two.
Here, here's the door.
Steaks. All right. That one over here.
That's fine.
Good?
Yeah, I just want to make sure it didn't let go. That'd be tighter, but it didn't let me do.
But I don't want to do it in this. Like I'm already like, look how wet I am. Look at my sleeves. Afraid my watch is gonna die. I'm so wet. What we're doing now. That's a slab. I'd like to get some more of them.
That is a nice one.
10 o'clock. We're just gonna call it a night. The wind was blowing so hard. Water was just pouring down the holes. Been out here for a couple hours. Caught one tiny crappie.
That officially stunk. Horrible. Never got a bite after dark. I ended up with, I think, 6 gills and one really nice crappie. Brian caught one dinky crappie at dark, and that was it. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Catch you soon.